Product name, Aura Carver 10.1 inches Wi-Fi digital picture frame. The Digital Picture Unlimited Storage Anywhere is a digital picture frame that allows you to store and display your favorite photos. It has a 10.1-inch display with a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels. The frame comes with unlimited cloud storage that allows you to store all your photos in one place and access them from anywhere. Here are some pros and cons of the product. Pros: unlimited cloud storage, Wi-Fi connectivity, built-in speaker, motion sensor. Cons: the resolution of the display could be higher. The frame is relatively expensive. In conclusion, the Digital Picture Unlimited Storage Anywhere is a great product for those who want to store and display their photos in one place. It comes with unlimited cloud storage, Wi-Fi connectivity, a built-in speaker, and a motion sensor. However, the resolution of the display could be higher, and the frame is relatively expensive. The price of the product is $149. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.